In my opinion, it will be a crime if you went to Egypt and you didn't see the tombs at the Valley of the Kings. So we went. Come with us if you're planning to go to Egypt, or you've gone and you've missed this. Just have a look at our video and live vicariously through us. So a night before we had visited Luxor and we stayed on the Nile. You see another video where I linked this, and on this morning we just had a short drive to the Valley of the Kings. That's us arriving at the entrance. Then your bag is scanned first of all to go through. Then there's a little lobby area where you can get some more info about the tombs. Scan the barcode of the tickets to go through, and you will get on one of these carts. It will take you halfway, not all the way, and then you start to explore the tomb.
64.
Yeah,
You know,
three.
If you need yourself to professional Egyptology, it actually doesn't cost much.
Okay.
It saves a lot of your time. And knowledge is very amazing in this place.
Okay.
It's only $30 for all your party, but somebody would save a lot of your time.
Yeah. The guy also suggested that we got a tour guide because it will save us time.
The details inside this thing, the colors, I was very
So he suggested cave 8, 11, and 6. Make sure you have comfortable shoes and not sunscreen hats, because most of the time,
just enter.
by moving from one tomb to the other, you'll be outdoors, and it was very hot. Actually, this depends on the time of the year you go, but in general, Egypt is hot all year round.
Where family?
Oh, originally Nigeria.
Oh, Nigeria, yes, I know. Nice Scotland, no. I drink coffee.
That's us just about to go. And on the day we went, just 9 tombs were open, but in general they have 11 tombs. So you get 3 free tombs to visit, and if you want to see some additional tombs, you have to have Egyptian dollar, and you pay at the entrance of those tombs you would like to explore more. It's this time consuming and the days were tired, so the 3 we had was more than enough, and the guy had already suggested the nicest one, so I think we got to see the nicest one. So yeah, keep watching as we just take you through some parts of the tomb, just a sneak peek. Yeah, and make sure you subscribe. So we stumbled on this tomb and they told us we had to pay to get into this one. As I said, we just wanted to do the 3 free ones, or the 3 that were included in our tickets. So we left, and yeah, but if you wanted to see that one, there's a special Egyptian creature and some gold I don't know, statues in that particular one, and people were lining up to see it, but we were like, nah, we didn't have time, we were tired already, so we just carried on going to see the other ones. There's just so much to see, intricate details. This video really doesn't do this tombs justice. You have to go there, you have to spend the time. If you can afford it, get a tour guide so they can explain each of each tree in the tomb. But we randomly looked at it and read the signs to get some information.
Do your favor.
This is outside, like I said, very hot. Sunscreen hats, very comfortable shoes. My sandal broke. Really, if you could wear trainers, do that, because I didn't know that before. So I'm telling you, so you don't make the same mistake. And yeah, inside the tombs were a bit cooler. So once you're inside, you can get a bit of relief. Some of the people there would give you hand fan made from cardboard boxes, or just cut out of cardboard boxes, but they're not free. Nothing is free in Egypt. You would have to give them tips or money for it. So if you can carry your own hand fan, that's fine. But as I said, it's a bit cooler inside the tomb, but once you go outside again, it's scorching hot. You can have an electronic fan if you remember to take that, or if that's something you'd like, just to carry around, or pour water on your head like I had to do at some point because I was almost passing out. But yeah, it was beautiful. Yeah, just enjoy some of the rest of the tombs we see now, and please subscribe again. Thank you. Days were a bit tired, so they decided to rest in a shaded place. I got them drinks while I went on to see the last tomb all by myself. They're big enough to stay by themselves. They had their phones, they had games, they had
number is
shelter or shade.
Which number?
And they got
is this
drinks
special
and
tickets?
just relaxed for
Three
about
tickets,
20
or is this
minutes while I
special
explored the
tickets?
final tomb. and I think this was the best one, so I was gutted they missed it. But yeah, this was just went briefly because I didn't want to keep them waiting for too long. Went in. So that's Ramsey 6 done. It's a good one. We're heading to, yeah, thank you. So, no. I think we want to buy something. On our way out, you see a lot of people selling souvenirs, merchandise,
I think we want to buy
clothing,
something.
and things like that. You can buy if you like, but make sure you have your cash, Egyptian dollar with you. And yeah, that's the end for this vlog. Check out more of our videos on our Egypt adventure and other countries as well. And if you subscribe, you see we always upload videos from all our travels around the world. Till next time, keep living, loving, and laughing. Bye.